books are vital and children need access. And as you can see here, they're very keen to come into the library and enjoy it.
When Anne Sophie Herman first came to PNG, she saw the need for children to have access to books. Having grown up in an environment with books so easy to access, she wanted children in PNG to also have the same experience. With much consultation and hard work, she founded the first Buk Bilong Pikinini library, which opened in 2007.
And when I found that many of the libraries here in Papua New Guinea were no longer in existence, I thought we have to try to do something about this, because there are so many beautiful stories that children should enjoy, and it really allows them to travel the world without really going anywhere.
Since then, 17 libraries have been opened around the country. Herman says that the literacy programs include numeracy, knowledge about PNG culture, and also historical events.
Children grow and develop in ways that people don't even imagine. They think, oh, it's just a book. Well, in fact, it's not. If you give children access to books from an early age, it will help them with their literacy at school. It will help them with their knowledge about the world. It will help them about getting knowledge about everyday things. But
with the establishment of the library in Tari and the recent earthquake disasters, Herman says that the library is still intact, but she prays that the children will find the strength to pull through this traumatizing time.
Need access to books and education materials. So it is with great sadness that we've learned about the earthquakes around the country, and we say our prayers for these families and communities to get together soon, so they can go back to their normal lives and that the children can resume their education, because of course it's very, disruptive to their learning when these disasters happening. So our thoughts and prayers are with those children, and we hope that with our partners, All Search and Exxon, that we can get support to those communities. So yeah, they're in our hearts.
Lilian Sopera Kinea, National, MTV News.